Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if you wish to force restart of this OPPO, all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button, so hold them all together, keep holding, and once you see the logo you can release the buttons and just wait till your device is rebooted, and then you will be able to use it in a normal way. Now smoothly unlock your device, and here it is. So that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.